Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Blender 2.92 to create the basic shape modeling. This is the starting of the Blender 2.92. At the beginning, before the modeling, first I will just delete the camera, delete the cube and delete the lights as well. Select the light and press delete. So this is a demo. I click add. Under the mesh, you can see all the basic shapes. For example, if I select the cube, this cube, you can see at the moment you add this cube, you can see the options is here, add cube. You can adjust the size. And of course, the cubes, you don't have much modification here. So if I delete the cubes, I add other shapes, click add the mesh. If I click a UV sphere, so under the segments, you can make it become a high poly sphere, drag it here. Let's say if I make it become a low poly sphere, high poly, I can adjust the rings as well. If I make it become 3, this is to minimize the poly shapes. Of course, if like this, it don't look like a sphere. At least you need to make it look like a sphere. The radius, you can adjust. The size. Alright. Now I delete this. As demo, I'll add another mesh here. The ICO sphere. Subdivision, you can make it high poly as well. The radius, you can adjust the size. What about the others? Once you click at other sides, it will disappear. Alright. Add a mesh, a cylinder. What can you do on the cylinders? The vertices. Actually, the cylinder, you have many vertices so that it looks like a cylinder. If you make it become really a lot of vertices, it will become a high poly cylinder where you won't see the border. Alright, the radius of the cylinder, the depth, alright, delete. So what about other shapes? The cone, if I adjust the vertices, 21, if 5, 3 become a pyramid, 4. The radius 1, radius 2, the depth. Alright. What about if you want to have a deep editing, have a deeper levels of editing? You can always select and go to edit modes. Here, you can select, let's say you select a point, you can move the point. Now it changed the shape. Of course, you can move the surface. You click this one, then you can select the face. You can reshape it. And if you click here, you can select the line just to move that line. Alright, this is to select the point. Alright, so by using the Blender, you can create any shape. For whenever you want to export it out as FBX file, you just need to click File, export as FBX file. The path mode, you must choose copy and make sure you select here. As demo, I will export on my desktop and click export FBX. The FBX file will be available for all the 3D software. If you double click it, it will open with the 3D viewer. And that's all for today about the really very basic modeling by using the Blender to create a 3D shapes and 3D models in Blender. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all to activate the notification so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing.